This is the Victorinox Swiss Army StayGlo Climber. And you can see it is a 3-layer knife. So with 3 layers, they are able to cram in 14 functions to this knife. And, well, let's start looking. What do they got? Here you have a can opener with a small regular screwdriver, and that also is a Phillips screwdriver. It'll work on some Phillips head screws. On the other side of that, you have a half stop on this cap lifter with large regular screwdriver and a wire stripper. Very nice. While we're right here, we'll see what this is. Very small, very precise tweezers. Let's rotate the knife a little, and on the back we have the awl with sewing eye. Nice sized. Very sharp. Somewhat pointy. Right beside that we have the package carrier, and it's made to carry packages that are tied together with a string. You just pick it up like so, but you don't see a lot of packages bundled together like that anymore, so you can wedge this in something and use it as a hook. Here we have the Victorinox Corkscrew opener, and threaded into that is the Victorinox eyeglass screwdriver. Very handy function. That did not come with the Climber model. I purchased the eyeglass screw separately. Just gives you another feature to use. Okay. In the middle, we have a very nice pair of Victorinox spring-loaded scissors. Very nice scissors. And beside that, we have the Swiss Army main blade. Very nice. Let's see if we can read what's on the blade. Well, I don't think we're going to have enough light today, maybe. Victorinox Swiss made. And let me read what the last one says. And the last line on there says stainless. And this says officer and Stussy underneath it. I'm not sure what that means, but the officer on the top. So, and right beside the main blade is the smaller utility blade, which is a smaller pen blade. Very nice. And we have Victorinox toothpick, but I know people don't really like to use that repeatedly in their mouth, so they end up using it to actually help clean the lint and such out of your knife that accumulates from carrying in your pocket. So it comes with the split ring attached to the knife. It does not come with this lanyard. I just added that to help it in and out of your pocket with, but I really love the Climber model. It's just the right size in my opinion, with just the right amount of functions, and I'm very happy with it. and I can definitely recommend the Victorinox Climber model to you. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Any comments down below. And in our next episode, I'll be sharing with you, can you guess what it is? Oh, it's not a paramilitary 2. It's a Gonzo. And this is a G729. So stay tuned.